Hi there, today we are going to learn how to create these sketch effects on any objects very easily in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. I downloaded to Photoshop the engine from unsplash.com and removed the background of the subjects in Photoshop. Image download link in the description. Turn off the background and select the first subject layer. Press Ctrl-Shift-U together to desaturate the subject. Then press Ctrl-J to make another copy of the layer. Keep selected the top layer and press Ctrl-I to invert the layer. Then select the blend mode to linear dodge at. Then go to the filter, insert other, select minimum. Here set the radius 1 value to 4 and hit OK. Keep in mind that for other images the radius value may not be 4, so you should check with different values to get the best result. Then add a brightness contrast adjustment layer. Here drag the contrast slider all the way to the left and set the brightness value to -20. Then press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-T together to merge everything into a new layer. First one is ready for use. Then turn on the second subject layer, press Ctrl-Shift-U, press Ctrl-J, Ctrl-I, select the blend mode to linear dodge at, go to the filter, insert other, select minimum, set the radius 1 value to 4, hit OK. Copy the adjustment layer and bring it to the top. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E to merge everything into a new layer. Bring the first subject up and make a white background. Now it looks nice. I add some demo text and text lines like a presentation in Illustrator, and look, it looks even more beautiful now. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Till then, take care.